Hello friends, I am upgrading my Redmi Note 3 from Lineage OS 14.1 to a new ROM which is based on Oreo 8.1, that is Unlace OS. So just going to the recovery mode, into the latest recovery, that is 3.2 I am using. Just click on wipe and advanced wipe, Dalvik, system, data and cache, and slide this. After sliding, it will wipe all the data from the previous ROM and just press the home key and click on install. Now selecting the zip files which you have downloaded earlier with Magisk and open Google Apps, you can flash this. It is flashing. I am using Open Google Apps Aroma version because it gives every kind of apps you require, and you can also select manually which app you want to install in your phone. So you can also use at the place of this Micro or Pico. The links of all these Google apps are given into the descriptions. From here you can download them. Now after installing this, it will go back to the recovery menu and it will install Magisk installer because I use this Magisk at the third place in Git queue. Now it is installed. Now press the home key, or you can directly press the reboot. Do not install. If you play now, it's the logo of new Unleash OS, which is of kind. You can see here the fingerprint sensor is working very fine, no problem at all. You can see, click on next. After going to the setup process, you can use this new ROM. The best thing about this ROM is that it is the combination of all the Oreo ROMs which are presently available, that is Nitrogen OS, Recursion ROM, and every type of you used Pixel ROM and so on. The main good thing about this is the new application which blocks every kind of edge, that is add away. Ad blocker is this. This can block every kind of edge which comes to the phone when you are using it. So it is good in case of edge blocker. Now you can see here every kind of apps got installed. Magisk is installed along with the ROM. Sorry for exposure. You can see in this ROM every kind of quick settings are given. In quick setting panels, there are all type of customization as present in Oreo ROMs, Nitrogen, Recursion ROM, Cosmic, Pixel. Every type of quick setting panel are given here. You can see here. So it's highly customizable ROM up to now in Oreo segment. Now going to the setup, you can see here in Unleash tab, you can see this is the network settings. Network tariff shows into the status bar, Bluetooth and so on. I just make them off. Now you can see here, yes, it's good. Status bar, notification tariff, notification trigger, battery, and you can see here battery icon styles. Every type of battery icon styles are present here. You can see them. Circle. I personally like this circle. So battery percentage, inside the icon, you can see here the battery percentage is inside the icon. So every kind of battery customizations are there. Brand logo is here. You can make your custom logos, custom icons, settings, status bar gestures, and next tab is panel. Panel, this is the panel which key panel is mainly. Panels are different power reboot menu. So you can see here quick settings, quick pull down settings are there, advanced settings, easy title add. So every kind of customizations are given in this ROM. You can feel this after installing this. It's highly customizable ROM. You can see here recent menu, slim recent menu. This is the new feature which is not available in almost all the ROMs. General user interface. You can see now you can go through these settings. If you install the previous versions of different ROMs which were given in the previous videos of this channel, then you can see here this is all kind of stuff which you want from the Oreo ROM. So this is the combination of all type of ROMs, because the developers of this ROM are from Nitrogen, Recursion, and every type of pixel experience and every type of ROMs which are presently available for Redmi Note 3. So if you want the Oreo ROM, then this one is the best for one in case of customizations. But if you want battery backup, so it may not be good, because so much customizations runs battery quickly. You can check here different types of settings, buttons, navigation, animation styles are there. So you can see here every type of customizations are there. Gestures, you can use app circle bar, pipe, and gesture anywhere. Suspend actions in miscellaneous. About this is about this. Now going to the battery, you can see here it gives only 4% of battery back, 4 hours of battery backup left. So battery backup is may not be very good. I will discuss later about the battery backup. Now root management is here. You can see in the Magisk section it will show it is installed. So I flashed this Magisk with the ROM, so it should be here. Now you can see in system about Redmi Note 3, and in about section you can see the build date, kernel, and baseband versions about this. Now this is model Redmi Note 3. This is Android version 8.1.0. Now this is with a 5th February security patch. Build date is 6th March 2018. So every kind of information is given about section. You can check it here. All type of features are present here and working very fine, like brightness level, adaptive brightness is there, live display is there. You can set here night mode is working very fine, no problem. Also you can adjust the temperature scales here. Now automatic display is there. So everything is working very fine in this ROM, no problem at all. You can check. Now this was the ROM. You can experience this ROM by installing. Now going to the camera section, allowing the different permissions. You can see here camera is working very fine, no problem at all. This is the camera installed with this ROM. If you want portrait mode, you can install Google Cam. Can check it here. So this is the ROM worth to install. If you want customizations, so many customizations are there. This is highly customizable ROM, and this is the power menu section in which you use to power off and reboot. You can add more options here in the customization section. So this is a good ROM up to now if you want customizations. So thanks for watching this video. If you find any kind of information, please write into the comment section, and how you feel after installing this ROM, please write. Thank you very much.